Using the Voces editor, you can add a sorting activity to any existing page or to a page that you create. To start, either create a new page or scroll to the bottom of the page you'd like to add to and click Edit this page. You'll be asked to rename this page. You can simply name it something that helps you keep track of the different versions. The students won't see this, so it's just for your records. Once you click OK, you'll see the options on the right-hand side to edit. To add a sorting activity, we'll click Create a New Section. From the drop-down menu, we'll choose the Sorting section type. We'll see the example of what that's going to look like, and here in the text box, we'll write the directions to the students. These aren't the sorting options yet, so you might say something like, sort these in the correct order. Just something along those lines that tells them what to do with the activity. Like any other section type, you can record audio directions or format the text, add images, videos, or links as well. You can also set the point value per question here, and then create the section. Here we'll be able to add or edit questions in section 4, which is our sorting section. Clicking Add or Edit Questions will allow us to create a new question or copy an existing question from another sorting activity within the title. Here we'll click Create a New Question and then type an option in here. So we'll just say first for now and add that question. Now I'll create another new question. I'll say this one is second, add the question, and just again, I'll add a third option here and add the question. We'll see there are 3 options here, and when we save the page and close the editor, we'll see the sorting section added, and we see that the options are now in random order. Students would simply click and drag to put the options in the correct order. Once the options are in the correct order, they'll be able to click Save and Submit, and that activity will be automatically graded. If you don't see your sorting section right away, just refresh your browser. Sometimes you just need to reload the page to see the changes. If you're still not seeing it, or if you have any other questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the question mark icon within your account.